Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and I'm excited about today because I just love the online space, and I love to share information about the online space and actually talk about what's working and what's not. But not only that, the thing that's really exciting to me is the fact that this is what freed me from my 9 to 5 in 2016. And I love to give information that inspires people for them to go out and quit their daytime job, right? I was in a situation where my back was up against the wall and I felt like it was just like one of those moments where it was just crazy. Put it like that. It was just crazy. But I'm so happy and grateful that there's other outlets and there's programs out there and there's the online space that allows people to actually earn a full-time income. If you are looking for a way to replace your income or you're looking to add additional income to what you already have, I'm going to show you something today that's going to be an eye-opener for a lot of people. A lot of people think that they've tried the online space or they've been looking into it and maybe they haven't had the success that they're looking for. And I'm going to discuss how to get the success that you're looking for, the most important pieces of the puzzle that you need to work on in order for you to have success within the online space. And what I'm going to talk about today is nothing out of the norm, but I'm going to probably share with you some of the things that a lot of people may not discuss, or not only that, maybe you have heard these things before, but you really don't understand exactly why. So if you need to earn anywhere, let's just say between $50 a day all the way up to $200 to $300 a day, you can literally do that within your first 6 months of working in an online business. And the reason why I say that is because I was able to do that. Now, I didn't quit my job the first year, and stay with me, guys. I know I'm kind of rambling, but I just want to give you some insight so that you know what to expect and why. It wasn't the first year, but by the second year, I was able to do that. And the reason why I didn't have the success that I was looking for the first year is because there was a lot of potholes and a lot of mistakes and a lot of scams that I was involved in. And knowing what I know today, I love to teach people what to look for. And not only that, what to expect, realistic expectations. I'm going to write that down here. Realistic expectations, because that's really important when it comes to the online space. What to expect when you get into any opportunity, no matter what a person tells you, right? As far as when someone is sponsoring you into a program. I don't care how easy a person say it may seem or it is. There's some things that you have to have in place in order for it to work, no matter what the opportunity is, no matter how simple the opportunity may be. And I have few different multiple streams of income. But what I want to show to you before I actually get started with this, I'm going to just show you what happened last night. And this is what I love about this space, because I can go to sleep and wake up to payments daily. Just by doing a few simple tasks every single day, the same things every single day. So right here is a settlement of 2 payments that I received that came to $600. And again, this is just one source of income, one income stream. Now, think about it like this. If over the next 5 years, you built out 5 income streams, or over the next 3 years, you built out 3 income streams, this can be extremely lucrative for you and your family. And I'm going to go over why and what to expect in order for that to actually happen. Okay. So this came in while I was asleep. I woke up, went to use the bathroom, had a payment. Okay. Then I woke up in the morning to start making the kids breakfast. I had another payment. And then from another business opportunity that I'm in, I had a payment from there. So it's just like they keep flowing in. And one of the things that I want to talk about is the fact that people thinking that their business is not working just because they don't see results right away. Okay. So one of the things that I tell people is mainly consistency. And I'm going to talk about why. What happens is within the first 3 to 6 months, you have to be consistent. And the reason why is because what happens is As you build up momentum, and I'm going to show you how to do that. As you build up momentum, it starts to grow, kind of like a rolling snowball, right? A snowball that's rolling downhill. It starts to collect over time. And the more that accumulates, the more it starts to pick up momentum. Okay. So think about it like this. If you're at a job, right? It'll take you 6 months to a year before you get a raise or anything like that. But over time, those months that you're at that job, they're looking at a few different things: your work performance, your attendance, how you work with peers, right? If you take initiative, are you an action taker? All of these things, right? But now think about this: with the online space, you don't have to worry about all of those things. You just have to worry about marketing your business. That's it. Putting your business in front of eyeballs. So getting into that, the next thing that we need is a funnel. And this is what no one told me years ago, like 5-6 years ago. You don't have to know how to build out a funnel in order to start making money. This works for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. So 24/7 works. And what I love about this is now you can have a funnel built out for you. Where when I was in the online space back in 2015, one of the things that didn't allow me to grow the way that I wanted to grow was the fact that I needed to come up with a funnel. And I didn't know how to build out a funnel. So every time I thought it was right and it was perfect and it was ready to go, there was always a piece missing from that funnel. And I didn't have anybody to really help me and guide me on how to do it correctly. You have ClickFunnels, you have lead pages, you have, I think Kartra is one of them. All of these different places. You have Power Lead System, you have online OLSP, or one of those online Sales Pro, right? These are different operating systems that allow you to build out funnels. Okay. But sometimes it's hard to learn how to do it. I remember with ClickFunnels, I had it for 3 months. It literally took me 3 months to learn how to do it. And I didn't really get support to know what to do. I'm not going to sell somebody something like that that's going to take them 3 months to start building a funnel just to start making money. The other thing that I want to talk about is duplication. You need something that's easy to duplicate, something that gives you step-by-step instructions and training that you can actually follow to start producing results. If what you have isn't duplicatable, whether it's the lack of training, the functionality of the program, or maybe it's the funnel build out, that's not going to allow people to get started as quickly as possible to start learning and actually produce some results. And then the last thing is traffic. And this is important because with anything, no matter what it is, you need traffic. Think about where you work at right now. You're getting paid because somehow, somewhere they have customers, whether you're a sales rep, or whether you work as a cashier, maybe you work as a secretary. No matter where you're at, they have traffic that comes in that helps to populate money for that business. You need to do the same thing, but now you're going to do it for yourself. And the pros behind this: work your own hours, okay? Make your own money as much as you want, and you can work from anywhere. And that's basically what I wanted. The last one is I wanted to have time freedom because I was actually working from home, but the work that I was doing at home didn't allow me to have time freedom. So being able to work with a laptop and Wi-Fi allowed me to take it to the next level and be able to travel and earn money, which is where you're going to be once you are in the online space and you're doing it consistently. So the framework mainly is just building that consistency, which is knowing what to do and then executing day in and day out. Having a funnel built for you that's going to work for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. Once it's built out one time, it works ongoing. So you don't have to worry about doing it again and again and again. You need to have something that's duplicatable, something that people want, something that people need, something that can be life-changing for a person when they decide to get into your opportunity, okay? And then you need the traffic. Now, we're going to talk about the cons, because every business that has pros always has cons as well. And what can that actually be? What are some of the things that I hate about this business or dislike or wish was better, right? Mainly is the fact that there is some sort of a learning curve, right? And with the learning curve, if you don't have a mentor or mentorship, you will fail because there's so many moving pieces that it's nothing like getting guidance or having a training that gives you guidance. So I do offer mentorship as well. Why? Mainly because someone mentored me when I started to actually produce results. And I truly believe that without the mentorship that I receive, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. I was able to pick up the phone and call someone, have trainings weekly or bi-weekly as needed, and I knew exactly what to expect based off of what it is that I needed to do. That's extremely important. So the learning curve can be, for some people, you have to fit in the time to learn something, right? You have to be able to put an hour to the side where there's no children, there's no television, there's no social media. It's just you and what you need to learn, okay? The other thing that I didn't like about the online space is sponsorship. And what sponsorship basically is the person that brings you into opportunity. I wasn't aware that when somebody was sponsoring me into an opportunity, it wasn't for them to hold me by the hand. They're basically just selling me a product. To take it to the next level, you need to have mentorship. And a mentor is different from a sponsor. A sponsor basically sells you something and tell you, here, this is what you need in order to be successful with this opportunity. Here you go. This is the product. A mentor is the person that tells you how to use the product and how to make money from the product. These are two different things. When you get them confused, you start to feel overwhelmed because the person that you bought the product from may not be able to tell you exactly what to do. They just sold you a product, right? But the mentorship is the next level. So as an example, I have a really good example. Amazon. Let's just say you go on Amazon and you purchase an electronic, an Apple product or whatever, right? When you purchase that product, you can't call Amazon and say, listen, I need to know how to work this, or this thing is broke, or this thing isn't working properly, right? You don't call Amazon for that. Who do you call? The manufacturer, the company that actually produced the product. It's two different things. Amazon is just a third-party seller, the person that you go to buy the product, maybe to even get a discounted rate. But if you have any issues with that product where maybe you need to learn the functionalities of the product or how to use the product or how to navigate through the product, you're not going to call Amazon, you're going to call the manufacturer. So that's how you got to think about it when you're looking at an online product. The sponsorship versus the mentorship and how the two are not the same, okay? So a mentorship is going to provide you that hand-holding that you may need, that confidence that you may need, that little push that you may need, where with your sponsorship, you may not get that. So that was another thing. And then the last but not least is traffic. And the thing about traffic is the fact that you need to know where you fit in. And what I tell people all the time, they're like, well, you know what? Some people love social media and some people hate social media. You have to find out, which one are you? What person are you? Are you someone that loves social media or do you dislike social media? If you don't like social media, you need to figure out how you're going to accumulate traffic and what options you have for traffic. And that's something that we go over within our program. So what I want to talk about today is how I was able to accumulate these two payments. Okay. We have an opportunity. And with this opportunity, basically it allows you to earn anywhere from $50 all the way up to $300 per day. And this is a funnel that I had built out for me. I didn't do it myself, paid a one-time fee, had it done for me. And basically it's a short video here. And it tells you basically what to expect when you get started. So this does all of the selling and telling for you. Information about the product, how it works, what to expect, how to get started, right? And then what a person can do is if they want to get in, all they have to do is hit get started. And this is going to bring them to the page where they can make a payment and actually get started with the opportunity, right? So I've been promoting this opportunity now for, I want to say 6 months off and on, and sharing my results as they come in. And it's made me over $30,000 in like within 4 months. I brought in $30,000 from this opportunity. And what I love about it is the fact that when you get started, you get your website pretty much within 24 to 48 hours. You can have your funnel built out for you within a couple of days. And they give you everything that you need in order to be successful. But not only that, the person that came up with the system is a multiple six-figure earner that knows her stuff. And she put everything into this product that allows you to see the success that you need to see and know exactly what to do in order to start earning a full-time income online. So you have the starter level, which is a one-time payment of $50, the elite level, which is a one-time payment of $150, and then the pro level, which is a one-time payment of $300. Then you're going to just pay your admin fee, which is going to allow you to get your website. So you'll see all the products in the description below is a link if you want to take a look at the page, the sales page, and what's included. But what I love, again, is the fact that you can literally set up a funnel, start generating traffic consistently, whether it's on social media or not, and earn a full-time income. Now, I know a lot of people are like, I don't even want to earn $300 or $600 a day. I just would love to earn $50 to $100 a day. That's where you start, but where you end up at when 6 months pass, a year and a half, it's just mind-blowing because this is a billion-dollar industry and there's a lot of people that are looking for a work from home online opportunity. All you have to do is be able to follow instructions. You have to take a leap of faith and actually get started, okay? So you have to get started. You have to follow the instructions and stay consistent. And not only that, whoever you pay to get into the opportunity, make sure to have a conversation with them so that you know what it is that you need in order to be successful. That's one thing I noticed with a lot of people. You get into opportunity and you don't take a step further, write down your questions, get all your questions answered, find out what you may be missing. But not only that, if the person that sponsored you into the program is having success, find out what they did in order to see that success and duplicate that. I have so many people that they ask me questions on what I did or what they should do. And then I give them the answer and then they don't do it. I'm just teaching you what I know and what allowed me to generate $600 days, $1,000 days, $50 days, whatever it may be. But my whole goal is to get you somewhere, because if you can start producing results, you can start to increase those results over time as you are consistent within the opportunity. So I hope this information made a lot of sense. I hope that you got some inspiration out of this, but not only that, education about the opportunity and about making money online and what to expect and what to look for. And again, if you want to see more about what's included in this program, right in the description below is the link to get you going. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to give you more information on how to make money from home, how to work online and produce an income. I look forward to seeing you another day. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed and the notification bell, and I'll see you in another video. Have a good day.